Here's the Brain Tap. Now, what is the Brain Tap and why do you want it? Well, welcome to the new rental program where we're going to ship this anywhere in the world to you, and you can have one of these for only $49 a month. So this little guy is designed to get your brain and your body working as one to help get you out of stress. Stress causes anxiety, anxiety causes depression, depression causes disease. So you don't want to go that way. So this guy right here is going to sit on your head and it's going to go in your ears. You got red light, healing light. Blue light calms the central nervous system. Then you have patterning here, and that your brain loves it. So it puts your brain in a balanced state. And then at the same time, you have Dr. Porter, who's developed over 300 different programs. You have the iPad here, you have your cell phone, you download the app, and you can go life mastery, you can help with wellness, stress, sleeping, children, homework, depends on what you have going on and what you want. There's 300 different programs that you can literally wake up to, check your brain in the afternoon, and then go to sleep with it. If you're here locally, you can come into our storefront. We can check your brainwave patterns. We have a device that we hook up to you. 6 minutes later, we can tell where you're holding on to tension and stress. We can tell the energy around your body. We can tell a lot of different things about you. So if you're excited about that, come to the center. That's a complimentary service. If you want one of these guys, let us know. Reach out to us, and we'll teach you about our rental program here. Or if you want to purchase one, we have them on the website. There's a lot of studies backed up by it, and you will absolutely love it. All right, so we'll see you soon.